Ready?
Yeah.
So with the cavity closers now in place and the opening fully prepared and cleaned down, all slots removed to ensure a clean opening, tape in place. We've got our window from Ideal Combi strapped up with straps kicked in behind to ensure we don't clash with the brickwork. We've now lifted it up into place and then place windbags and packers to help bring it into position. So first of all, because it's a small unit, we don't tend to pre-prepare windbags because they get in the way. With a larger window, we'd probably put the windbags in place. But obviously with this, it's easy enough to lift and move around once you've got it up and into the hole. Up we go. Lift it at the bottom, please. Can you push the cavity closer down? Wait. Okay, so then carefully feed it into place. Right, if we hold,
30 mil in here as well.
yeah, we're looking for approximately a 30 mil setback. At this stage, the windowsill is not installed. It will be installed at a later time. The tape has already begun to expand in position. You just need to go around the window and ensure that the tape is all sitting correctly. We'll deal with that. Right.